Hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ako nga pala si Valk and I'm playing free-to-play, play-to-earn, and grind-to-earn games. So right now I'm playing Rohan 2 and I'm at Silva 03. So as free-to-play to guys, so never mind the 31 days subscription because bawing-bawi ko na yan in my first week of playing this game. So bale, this is my third week and I'm going to show to you how to convert Ruby into Gcash. So right now I have 114 Ruby. Yung ibang Ruby ko is naipon ko na sa wallet ko. And I have 10 M crons. Actually guys, I'm selling all my crons. But right now, siguro hindi ko muna siya isi-sell because I'm going to buy my first advanced skill. So this is my 21st playing. This is my 21st day of playing this game, but I don't have any one advanced skill. So reserve ko muna yan. So right now, let's proceed to the content of this video. So 114 rupees. So di ko muna yan i-convert. Let's proceed to my wallet. Let's go. So right now, I have in my third week of playing this game, I have 4,494 rubies. Of course, to convert this ruby, you need to go here in this web. And then, pindutin mo lang yung ruby. And then sell. So, wala nang pakialam dyan guys sa limit. Gusto ko ma-sell na agad. So, sell na lahat. Lahat, I don't care. Free to play naman tayo eh. Diba? We don't have it as investment. So, sell na lahat yan. Ching! Confirm. Fingerprint. Transfer completed. So close. Back to the wallet. Sana yung ano ko. So right now I have 435 cross. So para ma-convert yung cross, you need to make it, gawin mo itong ano, cross yung parang yellow. So to do that, baka ulit dito. And then wait lang. Siguro dili pwede. Ito pala. Bridge. You need to transfer it into that yung may yellow na cross. So actually guys, pwede siya pwede siya i-P2P. Pwede ko siyang ibenta player to player, but I don't take the risk. It's because pwede siyang ma-scam and masyadong malaki yung ratio, 1:2. Here in cross or transferring token, ang liit lang naman ng gas fee. So let's see if ilan yung makukuha natin. Ilan ngayon? 4,465 ba? So right now, 435 cross. So mag-iwan lang ako ng 10 cross kasi para sa mga gas fee. 425 lang. 425. And continue. Nanananan. Sorry guys, hindi ako marunong mag-edit, so I'm learning to edit pa. I just started my YouTube channel days ago. Pagpasensyahan nyo na. Confirm. Wait, wait, wait. Parang tagal. So I guess gawin ko na lang ito sa PC. Confirm sa PC na lang guys. Yun. So sa PC siya pwede, sa cellphone medyo malag. So right now, I have refresh. Uy, ba't nawala? Complete. Refresh lang. So $52 cross token. So right now, yung cross is send natin sa, yung gamit ko guys is BitGet. Favorite. Wala pang favorite. So let's to my BitGet. Spot. Add funds. Deposit crypto. And cross. Yan, cross. Copy. Cross ba ito guys? Lang, baka hindi cross. Cross. Copy. Back to my wallet. Paste. And then next. 425. So, actually guys, meron akong 10 account. So, that's why nakalikom ako ng ng around 4,000 plus na Ruby. Yung sa main ko, the income there is playing P2P. Gaya kahapon, naka-earn ako ng around 500 selling my Epic Epic earrings. So, transfer lang natin. Guys, napakaliit ng tax fee, ng gas fee. So, as you can see, 0.0003. Di aabot ng piso yan, guys. So, mas malaki pa yung palitan dito compare sa mag-risk ka ng paying first or going first into a player. So, I prefer that ito na lang. Sending. So, complete. So, wala na siya dito guys. And let's go to my BitGet. So, waiting. Siguro mga 5 minutes. Kakat ko na lang guys. So, zero balance. Siguro di naman ma-hack to, diba? Wala namang wallet address. Kahit i-hack nyo pa, wala namang laman. So, waiting. Yun, deposit receive. Spot. Yan, cross. So, $52. So, cross, trade natin yan into USDT. So, sell. Ayoko na guys. Ayoko na limit. Market na agad yan, max. Kapagod magantay. Sell cross. Yun. Then, asset. Punta ka sa spot. USDT na siya. So, to spot, para mapunta siya into GCash, you need to go here in OTC. I mean, you need to transfer niya yung USDT nyo into sa spot into OTC account. Yan. Then, press nyo lang all. Spot into OTC account. Then, next. Wala na ba? Tapos na. Spot, wala na. Zero balance sa spot. So, punta kayo sa OTC. So, sa OTC, meron akong 52 USDT. So, USDT, sell natin siya. Yan, dito sa P2P. So, tingnan nyo lang dyan kung sino yung may pinakamataas na percent. So, dito orders 100%. Sell ako dito sa 58.69. So, GCash. Yan, zero fees. So, max lang natin guys. Ayan, limit to 5. Ay, may limit. Limit, ano lang, 100. Yan. Konti lang benta natin, guys. Ito. 52. Yan, pwede na yan. Wait lang. Tingnan mo natin. 100%. Okay. Max. $52. And then, sell. Agree. The buyer is paying. Wait lang. Gcash. Wait, saan Gcash ko? Wait lang. Tapos na daw. Wait lang. Putik til. Yung Gcash ko na log out sa kabilang cellphone. Wait lang, login ko muna. To ensure 941680. 941680. Yun. Fingerprint. Check ko lang guys if nandito na sa Gcash ko. Ba't ang lag? Yun, nandito na guys. 3,146. Release. I confirm. Confirm. Then check mo yung Gmail nyo guys to confirm para yan ano sa confirmation ng buyer. Lang. Yan. 9448. So, view assets. So, yun guys. Andito na yan siya sa wallet ko. So, andito na siya sa Gcash ko. 3,146. So, imagine 4,500. So, imagine 4,500. Calculator. 4,500. And, naka-receive ako ng 3,100. 3,100. Divide 4,500. 0.68. So, 3:4 ay 4:3. So, 4,000 sa apat na ruby, meron kang 3 pesos. Tama ba? Oo. So, di ba? Ang laki yun, guys. Compare sa 4,000 ruby, benta nyo ng P2P, 2:1, 1:2. So, 2,000 lang yun, guys. So, andito, 3,000 plus. So, ang laking gap niya. Ang laki niyang difference niya. So, yun lang guys. Na-receive ko na sa kabilang cellphone kasi yun nakalagay. So, wala yun sa Gcash ko dito. And, yan lang. Back to grind. So, this is the earnings of my third week. So, 3,000. Not bad, diba? So, login ka lang, AFK ka lang. Salihan mo lang is, World Boss, tsaka, dungeon. Dungeon na 9 minutes or 18 minutes kasi double dungeon na. So, that's it. So, hopefully, may natutunan. Thank you guys.